Hi.
Hi.
My doctor called in a prescription?
Yes.
You're not Greg.
I'm sort of Greg. We're both over 50 years old. We both used to own a Pontiac Aztek. We both have a lot of experience with drugs. Sorry, pharmaceuticals. So, say my name.
Sort of Greg.
That's right.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A real crisis is occurring at this moment. Please stand by for important news. This is not a test. At approximately 9:42 p.m. in Hanover Park, there has been reports of strange noises like screaming and crying. There have been also reports of a weird creature appearing in televisions and other technology screens. Thankfully, we already have enough information to share with you about this situation. There has been an outbreak and a creature is in the loose. The creature resembles to SCP-096. Do not approach this creature for anything. Do not attempt to look at its face also, whether from in person, in a TV screen or in a video. SCP-096 is a tall gray, skinny creature with long arms and legs. If you are hearing this, stay indoors until the all-clear message has been given. If any of your family members or friends have viewed its face, or even you